Dual laser engravers are new, we've seen them before. So when Sculpfun reached out to me with the latest G9 dual laser engraver, I wasn't particularly interested at first. However, after using it for a while and testing it on various materials, I found some really interesting features that could make this a great option, especially when compared to laser engravers that cost several $1,000s. So, what makes it special? In this video, let's dive into all the details. Let's start with the unboxing. Here is the packaging with several highlights on it. Out of the box, we see several pieces of coherent paper, which are for engraving. There is a power adapter, some cables, a pair of goggles, and the security key. There's also a retractable exhaust duct that, wow, looks like a worm. Move the foam, and we see the G9. It's well protected with all the foam wrapped around it. There's also a ruler. After removing the protective cover from the G9, we find more items, like tools and accessories for the exhaust pipe, and also some engraving materials. And that is a smart way to store everything in such a compact package. Just a heads up, the box I received is a prototype and some items might be missing, so this unboxing is for reference only. I'll list all the items that should be included on the screen. Sculpfun also offers a rotary extension and a slider that supports an engraving area of up to 105mm by 350mm. With that out of the way, let's take a closer look at the G9. Here are the ports: a safety key port, an extension port, a port for connecting to a computer, and a power port. An emergency button is located at the bottom left, while on the right side we see an engraving button and up-down keys for focusing. On the front, there's a shield that blocks harmful light emissions. Inside, we find antenna and the lens. The base is removable with two material fixtures for batch engraving, which I will show you later. The top has a handle, which is great for portability. Now, let's get straight to the most important part: engraving. Using the G9 is simple. Connect to the power source, insert the security key, release the emergency button, and then turn on the power. The front indicator lights up, and the fan kicks in. Speaking of that, I highly recommend connecting the exhaust pipe to the vent, especially if you're working in a confined space. Before we move on to engraving, let's talk about the software. Sculpfun has its own phone and desktop apps, and also supports Engraver if you're interested. Here I like to focus on the phone app. Once connected, the main interface offers several features like a photo album, camera to take photos for engraving, and a material library that includes settings for various materials. You can also engrave customized text or your own drawings. Finally, there are options for QR codes and barcodes. Now, let me walk you through the engraving process by engraving some text on a painted aluminum card. After choosing your desired font, press Process Settings. The app offers a variety of materials with default power and speed settings for engraving, which you can adjust based on your experience. You can also choose the light source and processing times. Then confirm. In the next step, you'll find three buttons. Press Focus, align the blue and red dots using the up or down key. Then press Preview to make sure you are engraving in the correct spot. Finally, put the shader back on and press Processing. Now, just wait for it to finish. And that's basically how you use the G9 for engraving. There's virtually no learning curve, making it super easy to use, even for beginners. As I mentioned, Sculpfun also offers its own desktop app, SDG Laser Maker. From my experience, it offers more functions, which is great for those who want more control over the engravings. The main interface will look familiar if you've used a similar software before. Due to time constraints, I won't go into all the details. So, what's special about the engraving ability? There are a few things I really like. First, dual laser design allows you to engrave on almost any common material. The 10W 455nm blue laser works well on materials like wood, medium density fiberboard, leather, or painted metal. While the 2W 1064nm laser is particularly effective on plastics and metals like stainless steel, copper, and gold. I tested on a dozen materials over several days, and the results were impressive. Crystal clear with well-preserved details. Check out the beard in this picture. you can cut each hair. Speaking of engraving results, the second thing I like is the speed. Let's take this text engraving as an example. I set the power to 100% and the speed to 800 mm per second. Then went to settings and adjust the line spacing to 0.03, leaving the other settings as default. I didn't even set the parameters to the lowest for the fastest speed because I want the results to be great as well. It's fast, isn't it? And the edges of the text are smooth with no jagged effects. I also tested its cutting ability and found it can cut through 3 mm thick plywood in one pass. The third thing is the convenience of batch engraving. This feature is great for small studios looking to engrave batches efficiently. Simply fix the positioner onto the base, choose one or two depending on your material, and adjust the engraving to feel right on the card. Press the engraving key and replace each piece as the previous one finishes. Easy peasy. You might wonder, how can I engrave with the shield open? Doesn't it stop immediately when you open the shield during engraving? That's true, but in the app, you can choose to disable the safety door if you want. This feature is necessary because the G9 also has two additional modes: draw mode for the slider and the roller mode for the rotary extension, allowing you to engrave a wider variety of items. So overall, the Sculpfun G9 dual laser engraver has impressed me with its versatility, speed, and ease of use. Despite my initial reservations, it has proven to be a solid performer, especially when you consider its ability to engrave on a wide range of materials with precision and efficiency. The dual laser design sets it apart, making it capable of handling everything from wood and leather to metals like stainless steel and gold. The added convenience of batch engraving is a real bonus for small studios or anyone looking to produce multiple items quickly and effortlessly. The easy-to-use phone app simplifies the process even further, allowing you to start engraving right out of the box without a steep learning curve. Plus, it's safe to use, as the Sculpfun G9 meets Class 1 safety standards, ensuring that all engraving is done securely and safely inside the machine. For those seeking a reliable laser engraver with a strong feature set, the Sculpfun G9 offers a compelling mix of performance and practicality. Whether you're a hobbyist or a small business owner, this laser engraver delivers the tools you need to achieve professional quality results with ease and safety. And if you're interested, please check the link in the description and get the G9 now. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.